Welcome to another S&B Lair video. Now guys, this is going to be a really important video. I'm going to keep it as brief as possible. This is a very important video. I know I say this all the time, but if you're new, please check the description. There's a link to the Discord. Free to join this Discord, okay? So no charges, except if you want to have access to the S&B method and all the extra rooms. So if you're not too sure what you get the Signals room, the Cypher Beast room. The Cypher Beast is extra content, so it's like third-party indicators. Some groups are charging up to $1,000 to $2,000 for these very same indicators that someone was kind enough to present, another member was kind enough to present these indicators and how to use them, etc. People here, a lot of these members have spent thousands of dollars before finding the S&B channel, the Lair. So you get the Signals, the Cypher Beast, the Forex only. So if you're interested in Forex trading as well as crypto, maybe you're interested only Forex, then highly check that out. Our member JK and Bear, they're both admins and mods. So if you check out Jay, in the Forex room, he always makes calls. I generally stick to the crypto only. I don't generally do Forex, but you can with S&B method. Anything works. I just haven't really found a proper website to be trading on. There is Prime, but that's like 1000x for 1000x for Forex, so it gets quite risky. So we have the Optimus only room, which is an extra strategy with the S&B, free of charge. Like I said, everything you pay 0.033 Bitcoin, which will soon be raising. Okay, we'll be raising the cost. Not too sure what to, but it will be more than 0.033 Bitcoin. So if you haven't joined yet, I highly recommend that you check it out. My opinion, of course. If you check out the not real results, the method testimonials, these are all legitimate testimonials of people that have learned. So please check this out and yeah, see what these guys have to say. They definitely, they've put their money where their mouth is, and they're happy to be here. Now, like I said, Signals, Cypher Beast, Forex, Optimus, Level 1 room will be deleted probably soon. We don't generally use it. We use the live trading room. We have the Scythe videos, which is all extra content. We had a trader in the live trading. Pesh, I saw that. So this is a live trading voice room. So we all join here and we all communicate and live trade. Now we haven't done that for a while, only because it's hard with the time zones. And you have to understand that we don't have many S&B members. We've got around a total, I think it was like 65 or something like that. So different time zones, and some people are away, some people are active, etc. So a lot of people come into the group and they're like, oh, why is the global chat, quiet? Well, guys, this is a very small Discord. We delete a lot of inactive people all the time. So it's actually quite active for its size. You see, if we had like thousands of members, it would probably be a lot more active. Now, the fact is, we all don't take ourselves serious. We all have fun. It's not a toxic Discord, etc. Okay? It's all about having fun and working together, because it's not a competition. It's about working together. Now, if you're one of the members that joins up and you're just looking for free stuff, this probably isn't the ideal Discord for you. Yes, we do like to help the free members out, but we're offering such a discounted price of the S&B that it's only 0.033 Bitcoin, which is like 200 and something dollars, guys. So if you're really wanting to learn to trade, all my members recommend you check this Discord out. If you're like this person here that joins and you're always asking, where is the market going, this and that, guys, the answer is in the live trading room. When you're trading with actual people who put their money where their mouth is. If you're looking to freeload, this is not the ideal Discord for you, okay? Now, I don't know about you guys, but I've joined a lot of Discords in the past when I was learning to trade. I've paid for courses, I've paid for different groups, and honestly, I've joined groups where they honestly charge like $2, $3, $4, $500 a month, and the Discord has like maybe 500 people plus, and it's not even active. Like, this is probably more active, for the size. It's so much more active. So, guys, you have to understand that there's a lot of groups. I couldn't find a perfect Discord. to surround myself with positive traders. I join toxic discords, people that just rip you off, that promote passive income scams, that are partnered with the admins. Don't join that shit, guys. It is all a scam. And this is why we created this Discord, myself and Bear and Jay. This is why we created it, because we were all from the same toxic place and we were all trying to build ourselves. Okay, and the S&B method is not ripped off anything else. We've created this from scratch. Myself, Bear, and Jay. The S&B with the LL strategy. LL stands for Lazy Lion, which is Jay. He created the Lazy Lion strategy with us with our S&B. S&B stands for Scythe and Bear method. Guys, 0.033 Bitcoin is dirt cheap. Okay, all the method testimonials are real. Real results are real. People are making a killing in here. If you're like this person and just looking for direction, what this person doesn't understand, and I'm not taking a stab at them, I'm not, putting them down or dissing them in any way. I'm just trying to point out what not to do in the community. This person here is obviously lost in trading. They're obviously lost. They want to learn where the answers are, how to trade. But the fact is, nothing is free. I've put money to learn to trade, okay, until I created this S&B method with Bear, okay? And it took a long time, a lot of money, a lot of effort to find what works, okay? I was into scalping. I don't like entering a trade and waiting, 2 weeks for it to play out or a week to play out or a few days. Yes, I have in the past, and yes, I probably will in the future do that as well. There's a time and a place for everything, for long-term trades, etc. But I prefer short-term trades for scalping. So what this person doesn't understand, they go, where is the market going now, etc. Except we don't care in the S&B where the market's going. We only care that we have the right direction. That's why we have a proper risk management, etc. Now, there's 3 basic videos to the S&B, 15 minutes each, roughly. Okay, so 45 minutes total. There are extra videos, more advanced, which is in the Scythe videos room. But for all the beginners, they get given 3 videos to start. Then once they become, more experienced, they can check out the Scythe videos, etc. and the Forex video, etc. Now, guys, there will be more video content coming. That is why the price is going up. So we're going to have a little bit more on TA because some people want to learn TA. We're going to have a little bit more on, just overall risk management and wallet management, etc. So if we go to the real results, here we go. People are making profit. See, great example live. Cole made in Forex Room earlier today. I detailed my trade step by step. Great extra content for the S&B members. Not too sure what the capture thing is. He needs to get something else, but very nicely done, man. Very nicely done. So yeah, like I said, he calls a lot of things. Geronimo, he's killing it. I made a killing, 37%. This guy's made a killing, new member. Underlord, new member, he's killing it. Waves plus S&B is your own personal ATM. Boom. That's how we do it. If you don't know what the Waves is, that's an indicator that people charge you up to $2,000 for. You get it for free with the S&B. A privilege by one of our other members. He doesn't sell it. We don't sell it. It's just an extra that the members throw in and show us. They're like, hey, Scythe, hey, Bear, hey, Jay, check out this indicator. I came across this, or my friend, has access to this. Check it out. I found it for free, or I found out how to get invited to it, invite only, etc., etc. So these guys are making killing, guys. Like this Pesh guy, absolute legend. He's making a killing on S&B. He said it was a missing key to his trading. Mental Dragon, he's loving the S&B. If I go to a few of these pictures, I'll be able to show you examples. So, Underlord, when you're using S&B, you make money no matter which way it goes. Just a couple of screenshots of people and their results. There's hundreds to go through in the group, but these are just a few that I got for the video. So, Bear killing it the other day. Mental Dragon. As we saw these in the real results, these just recent ones. BTC Longs, well done. These are all new members too. Bruce is a new member. Ogie is a new member. Pesh is a new member. Mental Dragon is a new member. Underlord's a new member. Oh yeah, I called. So I got. I said entered off the S&B blank because it's content 50x. That is the S&B line right here. I'm not going to say what that is. You guys have to do the course, or like I said, it's not even a course, just the videos. You have to pay for the S&B to learn that, but it's not a resistance, it's not support line, it's a great line. I entered that, that was on a 5-minute scalping, and made 55% on that. And I called that in the live trading room, as you can see, 3:21 p.m. today. And then 20 minutes later, 55%. That's how it's done. Fill the gap, S&B filled WTF. So I messaged a few of these members. I said, how's trades since S&B? Changes the way I trade. I became patient with these entry and exit decisions. Glad I really found this group. I said, so would you say it was worth 0.033 Bitcoin? Do you think it should be worth more for the knowledge and learning? Here's, I'm so lucky I only paid 0.033 Bitcoin, man. It should cost more, I believe. Your time and effort on this group is priceless, man. And then that was the response. Good day with S&B. Z Carter, he's fairly new. He's doing a good job. So I asked Pesh, I said, overall, how are you finding the S&B? He goes, SB is really good, man. Very impressive consistency. He did a huge confirmation on entering and exiting, and the layer has been very helpful. No BS, love it. Legend, bro. That's his result. So he's killing it. No losses. 12 in a row, bit 7. Boom. That was his private message to Bear the other day. He goes, thanks. The method is so good for entries. It was my missing link. That's awesome, bro. Legit happy for you, man. Thanks. I've been through them all. CF, Oracle, you name it. So, like I said, these people, these two names here, they're charging up to like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for all their learning, especially this wanker here, this one. So be very careful. Scam. Big scam. Okay? No, not hating on this guy here, hating on this guy here because he's a scammer. So be very careful. That's just a few pictures, guys. And like I said, I've been in so many different groups where people just, they just stuff people around. And for 0.03 Bitcoin, 33 Bitcoin, the price is not going to last. It's going up, guys. So this is not a scare tactic video, not a sales gimmick. The price is going up. Not too sure when, not too sure what, but it will be either before next year or the latest next year at the start of the year. So make sure you join up now. If you're confused with trading, make sure you join up. We're just working as a community. I can't find any other community like this. Like I said, I've been in hundreds of Discords. I've been in crypto for many years now, and there's just too many scammers out there. Never sign up for those passive incomes. Never sign up to that bullshit. They don't work, guys. Learn to trade properly. Risk management. Be surrounded by funny guys, good community. Anyone in purple is a freaking legend. People that are just free users, just be careful because we do get some people coming in advertising their own bullshit and scams, so we get rid of them pretty quickly. Anyway, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for more S&B content, honestly, there's not that much except for you have to join up. There's no real free S&B content because it's like an all-in-one package. You can't just give someone like 5% as a teaser. It doesn't quite work like that in S&B. It's all a package, whether it's either you trade with S&B or you don't. There's no 5% or 10% of S&B to learn and then you pay for it extra later. It doesn't work like that. There's no real trial because it doesn't work like that. It's not TA. It's not generic TA and all that kind of stuff, trend lines and stuff like that, or Fibonacci. It's actually a unique method that honestly I haven't seen before. On YouTube I've gone through hundreds of videos in the past and I never saw anything like it until myself and Bear came up with it. I'm sure, there's some similarities out there to other methods, but I never seen something like this before. Anyway, guys, like I said, join the Discord. If you can, check it out. If you're not, that's all good. Maybe there's another group out there for you. Maybe one that costs 0.3 Bitcoin, 0.2 Bitcoin, whatever. But like I said, it is what it is, guys. For our time, 0.033 Bitcoin doesn't break the bank, doesn't make the bank either. So that's why we want it at a decent price, but we're not, undervaluing ourselves. And at the moment, we are undervaluing ourselves quite a bit. So anyway, guys, check it out. Like I said, if you can, you can. If you're not, it's all good. Have a good one.